Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're experiencing slow performance or glitches on the AliExpress app, clearing the cache can often help. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on AliExpress using your smartphone. Let's get started. First of all, unlock your phone and make sure you are connected to the internet. And download the AliExpress app if you haven't already. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. Make sure you are logged in with your account. After you are logged in, here you can see the account section at the bottom right. Tap on it. Next up, you need to go to the settings. Here you can see the settings icon at the top right. Tap on it. Now in the settings menu, you can see the options to clear the cache. Here you can see option clear cache. Tap on it. This will remove temporary files that the app doesn't need anymore. So it will free up the space and potentially improve the performance of this app. So there you go, clearing the cache memory in AliExpress is very easy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.